If you need to know how to replace your engine air filter on your Toyota Yaris Cross, then check out this video. Hi there guys, welcome to another one of my videos. This is a 2025 Toyota Yaris Cross with the HEV system, which is the hybrid EV system. So it's a 1.5 litre petrol engine with a motor bolted on the side. So it has an engine air filter like any other car. And as you can see, I've actually popped the bonnet. But for those of you who don't know how to do that, just go into the driver's side and pull this lever here. And once you've done that, just put your hand in just above the Toyota badge, and we're going to push that lever there to the left. Then we're going to go ahead and put this bonnet stay in that hole there. With that safe and secure like that, we can actually take a look inside our engine bay. And it's nice and simple in here. We've got a couple of fuse boxes, one there, one there. We've got some fluid top-ups down there. We've got a main engine block in the middle here. You can see that by our coil packs there, and I'll make a video on those separately. And just down the front here, you can actually follow the induction tube all the way to this box here, which is actually our engine air filter box. And it's nice and simple in this car because you don't need any tools. All we're going to do is just rock both of those clips forward, and then that pops this up like that. And there's actually enough slack on the mass airflow sensor cable that you can just pull this forward. There's two locating pins at the back, and then you can actually see your engine air filter. It's quite a small filter on this car, and as you can see, it had the fins facing down. So just going to take that off to show you. So that's what our engine air filter looks like. Now we'll leave a link to this product in the description down below, but it would be a relatively similar filter to what you've seen before. Nothing special. The only difference is you have to put it back in with the fins facing down. So just to get your new one, first off, I'll just recommend you take a look inside the box. And if there's any leaves or debris in the bottom there, you just want to use a vacuum cleaner and take that out. Once you've done that, just going to drop your new filter straight in, making sure it's sealed all the way around. Retrieve the lid, making sure we put the two prongs in the back and slide it in like that, so you can just see they're nicely home. And we're just going to rotate them two pins back on the front. There we go. Give it a quick wobble, make sure it's safe and secure, look all the way around, make sure the filter's gone in it nice. And that's how easy it is to remove and replace the engine air filter on a Toyota Yaris Cross with the hybrid EV system. If you found that video interesting and helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos, and subscribe to my channel.